everyone, I'm Bill.
And I'm Vanya.
And we're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Skyway Trading Post. We haven't been here in a few months. Last time you guys saw any videos, Skyway Trading Post, we were here on the Ducati when we very first got it. But today, a small little treat. We're kind of just kicking back with some bikers. And this is pretty standard up in this area. And we've got a few guys, Justin Bieber has come and visited with us, but we've got a few extra treats with you guys. The Club Corsa guys have just shown up, and they brought a few beautiful treats out. So give you guys a little eye candy of some of the supercars. But at the end of the day, we're here for the motorcycles, and we have the brand new 2019 Aprilia Tuono Factory 2020 Ducati Streetfighter. I'm just excited. I'm excited to be back out here and back riding these roads. These are my roads in the backyard. So Justin Bieber, he's one of the guys I used to ride with back in a few years ago. So just super stoked to be here. So we're gonna take you guys out of here. We've got a little bit of traffic behind us, but once we get past that, oh yeah. So let's get riding, baby. All right, guys, well, we're here leaving the Skyway Trading Post. A couple more cars trickling in. Got a little DDE fam. So hopefully the cop isn't waiting for us. Because I might be a decibel or two over sound. All right, guys, we got Tim's getting some gas, but I wanted to give you guys a view. Skyway Trading Post just across the street, but this is the infamous Alice's Restaurant, still conducting business, which give them huge props. We've got to get back out of here and have some breakfast sometime. But we're going to be heading down towards Pescadero, so we're going to be heading this way. I'll bore you of the ride down because apparently there's some mowers down the way, but once it opens up, you ready? I'm ready. So these are the diesel douchebags that really fucking annoy me. And excuse my language, I don't curse much, but like, what's the need of this? So, welcome to the Santa Cruz Mountains, guys. So the first little bit kind of sucked, but we're wide back open. Let's get ripping down. Woo. So it's been a while, so I was able to meet up with a couple people, a couple of the old school riders. Deb and Jeff came up. Super excited to see Deb and Jeff. They haven't been around riding. I don't obviously make it up here that much, but we have Trevor and Shaw, the Beeb. And is there much of this? Oh, there we go. So let's obviously don't want to lose these guys. Nice to see a little bit of road construction down here. Not that the roads were really bad down here, but always use a good fix. So let's get back into this. Trevor's on his older RS V4. I've been riding with this kid since he was like 17 years old. What's up, Trev? You ready? Oh, I sure miss this road. Woo! Dougie, I miss you. My buddy Doug Davis Racing. This is our old stomping ground. This is where we We used to be up here every weekend. God, I miss this ride. Nice to give you guys some new scenery, but we're looking at, you know, this is a 70-mile ride down here, so it's a little trek. So usually we usually load up the bikes. We usually load up the bikes and head up on the trailer and trailer up here, and then we get to ride. But then we trailer back home because just you know, we do about 120 miles today, 70 miles down, 120 miles, and then 70 miles back. It's just brutal. So we are upon my birthday weekend. My birthday is tomorrow. And so we are actually staying down here. Half Moon Bay is a little town. Take it a little easy into the next little town. So Half Moon Bay is a little town up. So we decided to, me and Bogner, treat ourselves. We're gonna stay here the night and try to get some nice fancy outdoor pandemic dining. And just spend the night here, and then we'll head home tomorrow. So definitely make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe. You know the whole drill. But we've got more for you guys. More videos coming. This one will continue as soon as we get through town. So let's stay tuned and regroup with these guys. Alright guys, so we are on our way up to Pescadero. So we got a nice little straight so we can exercise this little top end of the Ducati. And then we get into some tighter stuff. I'm not a big fan of the tighter stuff. God, this thing just has some legs. And back into some tighters. Now this road, I don't remember the road and the conditions, so take it a tad easy. So we got a few mods added. Got the oil changed on the Ducati. Got the oil changed last night on the Ducati. So we're getting ready this week. In the craziness of my work, I've got 3 machines I got to get out. Then I've got, I'm going to be traveling in 2 weeks. So everything has to happen next week, and then next week I got to get the bikes prepped and ready. The 4 bikes, we're taking the Streetfighter, the Tuono, the S1000R, and the HP2 Sport to the track on Monday. So stay tuned, because you guys have been asking for a side-by-side comparison with the Tuono and the Streetfighter, and I might even throw in the 2018 BMW S1000R into the mix. Give you guys my opinion on those 3 on track. I still want to do, and I still will get to you guys. I know you guys have been asking me for the Tuono Streetfighter versus out here on the streets. It is planned. I just have to kind of figure out logistics with you guys, or with me and Bogna, and just the time and everything. Tim's caught up with me finally. Tim's on his girlfriend's S1000RR 2020. Let's see if we can rip through here real quick. And you guys are about to get a good dose of scenery. I love just coming out to this spot right here with the open valley just in the forest and the trees. So I shot a video for you guys not too long ago. Actually, I shot the video twice because the first time it didn't record at all, and then the second time the camera acted up and didn't record again. But these Michelin Power RSs, I absolutely love them on this bike, you guys. Absolutely love them. I mean, if you guys have any doubt about switching from those Pirellis, one of the big things that I love about these tires is just that there's traction. There's actually traction. So the Pirellis, the bike didn't wheelie as much as it does now because it just was spinning up the tires. I mean, I got just over 2,000 miles on those tires, and so I absolutely am loving these Power RSs. I told you guys I've been riding these Power RSs for some years now, so I'm quite used to them. I'm quite comfortable on them. They handle really well. Wagner's Tuono already has Power RSs put on it. Well, we changed them. They didn't come with it. They came with Pirellis. But I think BMW got a little hint of that Power RSs because they're putting them now on the BMW S1000RR, which is smart, I think. I know they used to always run the K-Tex or the Race Tex, the K3s. That's what my bike came in, and immediately I changed those to the Power RSs and loved them. But yeah, the Streetfighter is just alive with these tires. It's just like almost a complete package, just with everything that it's got, and it just I love them. So if you guys have any questions, like I always say, the tires are all good these days. They're all really good tires, but you know, some people will comment down below, I'm sure, and tell me that their Pirellis or Dunlops are way better than these. And look, it's what everyone's got their preference and their preference to why they like the Pirellis over the Power RSs, or sometimes it's just also been it's just been a personal preference of that's what they've ridden on, you know, that's what they've ridden on for years and years. So start cooling down a little bit through the park. This is a state park, so let the rest of the guys keep up. But so yeah, so you know, tires is, look, it's all a preference, but I really, if you guys have considered the Power S's, I think they're called the Road Evos now or something like that. Unfortunately, they're not available in a 255 right now, which is what I switched to. So if you guys are asking, I did switch from the 60 series tire to the 55, and I haven't really noticed much difference except that it wheelies a little bit more. That may be also that it brought the ergonomics of the bike, you know, kind of squatty in the rear, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna have Dave Moss set all the suspension, reset the suspension back up when we're at the track. So, but stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. I just wanted to bring you guys on this little rip down at the beginning, and we're gonna catch you guys back up Highway 9 when we leave Boulder Creek. We're gonna take you guys back up Highway 9, which is gonna be a pretty good video. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and of course, give me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys have questions on about the Streetfighter, Wagner's Tuono factory, or just tell us how beautiful these roads are, because they sure are. But we'll see you guys next video. Thanks for sticking around. Bye, guys.